Welcome to Cabin and Cottage, your cozy corner for all things warm, rustic, and beautifully crafted. Join us as we explore charming cabins, timeless cottages, and the art of making a house feel like home, especially during winter. Let's make your space a warm retreat together. The living room feels like a deep exhale after a long day. All warm oak glow and soft amber light pooling around that stone fireplace. Textured rugs, earthy cushions, and quiet shelves of books make the space feel grounded yet welcoming, like winter was an excuse to slow down and really breathe. In the dining room, the long oak table steals the spotlight, glowing under a mellow mica chandelier. Simple, sturdy chairs and pottery in muted tones make everything feel relaxed instead of formal. It is the kind of room where slow meals stretch into stories, wrapped in soft winter light. The study wraps around you with its paneled wood and stained glass glow, like a secret winter hideout for big thoughts and quiet moments. Shelves of books, a solid writing desk, and warm olive fabrics create this grounded, focused calm that still feels incredibly cozy and lived in. The breakfast nook feels like winter's softest morning, with cushions against warm oak and snow framed perfectly outside those big mullioned windows. The table is small but inviting, scattered with simple pottery and textiles. It is the kind of corner that makes coffee taste better and time pass a little slower. The music room carries a gentle hush, all polished wood, warm mahogany floors, and instruments resting in quiet readiness. Under soft amber lighting, the space feels both refined and easygoing, Like it is always waiting for a melody but never in a rush. Winter outside only makes it feel more intimate. The formal sitting room somehow feels both polished and incredibly comfortable, with generous oak furniture, glowing lamps, and soft winter colors wrapping everything together. Stone accents and earth-tone textiles keep the room from feeling stuffy. It is a place for lingering conversations, deep cushions, and second cups of something warm. The library feels like the heart of the house, soaring shelves of books and dark oak surrounding a wide open floor. Light glows softly across wool rugs and reading chairs that invite you to sink in and stay a while. It is a space made for long winter afternoons disappearing into pages. The kitchen has that quietly busy energy even when nothing's cooking. All handcrafted cabinets, stone details, and warm wood counters. Terracotta tiles and big windows bring in winter light without the chill, wrapping the whole space in a golden glow. It feels equal parts workroom and gathering spot. The breakfast room is bright but gentle, bathed in soft morning light that bounces off warm wood and stained glass. Built-in cabinetry and a compact table keep everything feeling intimate instead of formal. It is a space that makes simple meals feel special, especially with the winter landscape just outside. sunroom feels like winter without the cold, bright with soft, diffused light that glides across wood floors and patterned tiles. Window seats, warm cushions, and earthy pottery make the room feel like a quiet retreat. It is the best spot for watching snow drift down while staying wrapped in warmth. The formal dining hall has presence without feeling rigid. With that long glowing table, rich paneling, and a chandelier casting gentle pools of light. Built-in storage and stained glass details keep everything grounded in craftsmanship. It feels like a space made for celebrations that still feel relaxed and genuinely cozy. The office space balances focus and comfort perfectly, with a solid oak desk, warm-toned cabinetry, and natural light stretching across wool rugs. Nothing feels overly decorative, just thoughtfully made and intentionally placed. It is a room that quietly nudges you to do good work and enjoy every minute of it. The family room leans all the way into warmth, centered around that big stone fireplace and handcrafted wooden mantel. Built-in benches, soft cushions, and layered rugs make the whole space feel like winter evenings were designed just for here. It is casual, lived in, and effortlessly inviting. The backyard feels like an extension of the house's warmth, just under an open sky. The wooden pergola, cedar decking, and stone fire pit turn cold air into something refreshing instead of harsh. Benches, cushions, and snowy trees around the edges make it the coziest winter hangout you did not expect outside. Thanks for joining us on this cozy journey through elegant Craftsman charm and winter warmth. If you enjoyed the tour, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Your support helps us bring more inspiring home stories right to your screen. Stay warm and see you soon.